So what you need for your pom-pom is you need your pom-pom, your hat, your scissors, a darning needle, and you'll also need a little button, and you will need a little button with 4 holes in it, and that will secure your hat on the inside. So now we're going to get a pom-pom ready. You'll notice here that it's only got 2 strings. Some of them come with 2 strings, some of them come with 4. If you've only got 2 strings, I recommend you get another piece of yarn of similar length and similar width, thread it through a very fine needle. You'll need a fine needle to get in because this is quite firm. And you'll notice that this is going from west to east. I need you to go from north to south. So make sure you grab it underneath, bring it through, and it can be quite challenging. So you see there that you've now got 4 strings, west to east and north to south. So now we're going to attach our pom-pom. You've got your north, you've got your south, your west and your east. So take your north and thread it through that needle. Doesn't need to be a thick needle, and just point it right in the center of the front, so about 4 from the top. So bring that down and into the front. Bring your east and bring it about 4 rows down on the very edge of your hat. Take your west string and bring that down on the left hand side, and then turn it over. And what we're going to do here is just take the south one and stick it in the middle of the back, about 2 to 3 rows from the top. So then I want you to just turn it inside out. So now that we've turned it inside out, I just want you to check that it's all even around, and that looks pretty even before we go to the next stage. So make sure that that is even. It doesn't always come out even, so just want you to check that. So I'm going to introduce you to a new technique using a button so that you can take your pom-pom off when you want to wash your hat. Now, do recommend that you hand wash these hats if they're made of merino wool and not put them through the washing machine. So what I want you to do is find an appropriate button with four little holes in it. I've had these little buttons made for me, but find a little button with 4 holes in it, and I want you to just thread through it into the hole for each hole. So now we're going to just secure our buttons. So what I want you to do is just tie this, and it gives you good leverage, and then just secure it. Now just go with one tie first so that you can go and test that it's in its position correctly, and then we can secure it further. So now that you've tested it and it's in position, you can then just do a double bow, and that's all you actually need. And just trim it, don't trim it too short, but there you go. So that's your pom-pom. And that's your single pom-pom.